we will enjoy the class. All of you are ready for enjoyment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the meaning of this word. Can anybody tell me what is this? Raise your hands if you know the meaning. Prince, stand up. ओके, रिमेडियल, कमजोर बच्चों की क्लास. ओके, बुरा नहीं है बेटा. रिमेडियल का मतलब होता है उपचारात्मक. क्या होता है? उपचारात्मक. इन विच वी गिव सम रेमेडी, जिसमें हम कोई रेमेडी देते हैं. कैन एनीबडी टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? रेमेडी. रेमेडी मेडिसिन वर्ड सुना है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
कैन यू टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? मेडिसिन, दवाई, औषधि. बेटा रेमेडी मीन्स औषधि. जब कोई बीमार हो जाए तो हम ठीक होने के लिए क्या देते हैं? औषधि, दवाई, मेडिसिन, रेमेडी. रेमेडी मीन्स औषधि या उपचार, क्योर, जो हमें बीमारी से ठीक कर दे. अच्छा एक बात बताओ बेटा, जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो क्या हम हर बार डॉक्टर के यहाँ जाते हैं या कुछ इलाज घर पे भी कर लेते हैं? अच्छा 5-6 दिन पहले मैं बाइक से आ रहा था ड्यूटी पे, तो मुझे यहाँ मधुमक्खी ने काट लिया. निशान दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
पूरा हाथ सूज गया था.
Yes, sir.
हम क्या करते हैं आमतौर पर? एक एक करके 90 स्टैंडर्ड लोहे की चीज घिसा लेते हैं. ये भी एक रेमेडी है. वेरी गुड, सिट डाउन. खुशबू, हाँ कोलगेट लगा सकते हैं. वेरी गुड. अब मैं बाइक पे हूँ, ना मेरे पास लोहा है और ना मेरे पास कोलगेट है. कुछ और? विवेक, पेट्रोल. मैंने यही किया. मैंने अपने पेट्रोल का टैंक खोला, उसमें से पेट्रोल की 2 बूंदें डाली और उससे फिर मुझे थोड़ी सी राहत मिली. सिट डाउन. वेरी गुड. तो बेटा कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाके दवाई लेते हैं, वो होती है मेडिसिन जो डॉक्टर देता है. लेकिन कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो हम घर पे रह के इलाज कर लेते हैं, जैसे दादी नानी घर के बड़े हमें बताते हैं, और वो इफेक्टिव भी होते हैं, वो कारगर होते हैं, वो प्रभावशाली होते हैं. तो बेटा जो मैंने किया, पेट्रोल की 2 बूंदें इस पे डाल ली, वो एक होम रेमेडी थी. क्या थी?
होम रेमेडी.
यानी वो घर की दवाई थी, घर का उपचार था, बगैर डॉक्टर के पास जाए. अच्छा ये तो छोटी मोटी बातें हैं कि भाई चलिए आपको मधुमक्खी ने काट लिया, बी ने स्टिंग कर दिया, या फिर हल्की फुल्की खरोंच लग गई. आमतौर पे जब हम गिर जाएं या कहीं पे थोड़ा बहुत खरोंच लग जाए तो घर वाले कहते हैं धो के क्या लगा लो? सरसों का तेल. वेरी गुड. मस्टर्ड ऑयल. सरसों के तेल को अंग्रेजी में क्या कहेंगे? मस्टर्ड ऑयल. वेरी गुड बेटा. अच्छा ये तो छोटी छोटी बातें हैं. अगर किसी को सांप काट ले, नीम की पत्ती. वेरी गुड. कुछ और? हाँ कपड़ा बांध लेंगे. वेरी गुड. मुस्कान, खून आगे ना जा पाए. ये कुछ एक उपचार है, लेकिन कोई रेमेडी, कोई औषधि. तो आइए बेटा आज हम एक ऐसी स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे जिसमें सांप के काटने के बाद भी होम रेमेडी देके उसको बचा लिया गया. वी विल रीड अ स्टोरी, वी विल लर्न फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी हाउ अ स्नेक बिटन पर्सन, स्नेक बिटन का मतलब सांप का काटा हुआ आदमी, कैन बी सेव्ड, बचाया जा सकता है. Oh, what is the title of the story? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
What is the title? Say loudly. This is This is Jody's Fun. This is Jody's Fun. Okay, beta. This means This means Jody's means Jody का. Jody J capital. It means it is a name. Jody's Fun. Fun means Yes बेटा, हिरण का बच्चा. वेरी गुड. दिस इज जोडीज फन. यह जोडी का हिरण का बच्चा है. कैन यू नेम द राइटर? टेल मी द नेम ऑफ द राइटर. मार्जोरी कीनन रॉलिंग. मार्जोरी को हम शॉर्ट में क्या लिख देंगे? कीनन को और रोलिंग्स कंप्लीट लिखेंगे. रोलिंग स्पेलिंग रोलिंग्स. और बेटा आज जो हमने नया वर्ड सीखा वो वर्ड क्या है? रेमेडी। रेमेडी मीन्स औषधि या इलाज। ओके बेटा, लेट्स रीड द लेसन। फर्स्ट आई विल रीड, यू विल से आफ्टर मी, and then at the end of the class I will give you the opportunity to read. आप भी पढ़ेंगे, पहले मैं पढ़ूंगा, आप मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलेंगे। Pencil is ready?
Yes, sir.
We will note down the difficult word also.
Yes, sir.
Okay beta, let's start. Often instead of
Open instead of
rushing to the doctor
rushing to the doctor
to treat
to treat
a small cut
a small cut
or burn, we find
we find
quick and effective cures
quick and effective cure
using things
using things
available at home.
available at home.
Can you think of
Can you think of
some such home remedies
some such home remedies
for a cut on your knee?
a cut on your knee?
When there is a cut on your knee, जब आपके घुटने पे चोट लग जाए तो आप क्या करते हैं? In English, mustard oil. We apply mustard oil. Very good. A burn on your arm? Yes. Sometimes we use ghee, clarified butter, or sometimes we use coconut oil for burn. A bee sting? Bee sting means मधुमक्खी का काटना, मधुमक्खी का डंक, मधुमक्खी का काटना। बी स्टिंग के टाइम व्हाट डू वी डू? Yes. Iron or petrol or we apply Colgate. Very good. Now, in this story, Jodi's father has been beaten. Jodi's father, जोडी के पिताजी को has been beaten, काट लिया गया है by a rattlesnake. What is the spelling of rattlesnake? Rattlesnake. This is a type of snake. At the tail of this snake there is every time rattling. Every time rattling means खड़खड़ाना। इस सांप की पूंछ पे छोटी सी डंडी सी होती है, उसको ये हर वक्त खड़खड़ाता रहता है। क्यों? ताकि कोई इसके पास ना जाए, और फिर भी कोई जाए तो ये क्या कर देगा? हैप्पी बर्थडे। क्या कर देगा? हैप्पी बर्थडे। आ जाओ ले लो चॉकलेट, काट लेगा। ओके। Jodi's father was beaten by a rattlesnake. Jodi's father was beaten by a rattlesnake. ध्यान देंगे बेटा। He quickly kills a doe. And uses its heart and liver to draw out the poison. He quickly. Quickly means jaldi se. Kills means marna. Do means D-O-E. Do means he ran. He quickly kills a doe and uses its heart. और डो के क्या क्या चीज यूज कर रहे हैं? हार्ट एंड लीवर। स्पेलिंग ऑफ लीवर? हार्ट एंड लीवर। हार्ट मीन्स? लीवर मीन्स? नहीं बेटा, किडनी अलग होती है, लीवर अलग होता है। लीवर यकृत को बोलते हैं। ओके बेटा, ध्यान देंगे। To draw out the poison. What is the meaning of draw out? बाहर निकालना। Very good. Who told this? Very good, Muskan. Well done, बेटा. Draw out, बाहर निकालना। Poison means? Spelling of poison Cohesion means how they use the dough. उन्होंने डो को कैसे यूज किया? हार्ट एंड लिवर किस काम के लिए? So this is also a remedy. This is also a remedy. ये भी एक दवाई है, ये भी एक औषधि है, ये भी एक इलाज है. Now Jodi wonders. What will happen to the little fawn left without a mother? Jodi and his father. They killed the doe. डो मार दिया बेटा उन्होंने. अब डो का बच्चा कौन है? फान. It is without mother. Without mother, how it will survive? बिना माँ के जिएगा कैसे? छोटा सा बच्चा है. Now Jodi wonders. और किसी को दिक्कत नहीं है, पापा ठीक हो गए, घर आ गए हैं, मम्मी काम कर रही है. But Jodi is disturbed. Jodi को समस्या है. He is thinking about the fawn. हिरन के बच्चे का क्या होगा? And that is the title of our story. This is fawn. Now we will enjoy the story. Let's read it. Jodi allowed his thoughts to drift back to the fun. He could not keep it out of his mind. He had held it in his dreams, in his arms. Jodi allowed his thoughts. जोडी को विचार आ रहे थे. टू ड्रिफ्ट बैक टू द फन. बार बार किसके विचार आ रहे हैं? फन के. अब वो पापा को ठीक करके घर ले आए हैं, लेकिन बार बार जोडी के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? फन. He could not keep it out of his mind. Out of mind means दिमाग से बाहर, वो उसके दिमाग से निकल नहीं रहा है. He had held it in his dreams, in his arms. Dreams means arms means बाजुओं में. सपनों में वो क्या कर रहा है? बाजुओं में किसको लिए हुए है? हिरन के बच्चे को, फान को, डोज फान. He slipped from the table, went to his father's bedside. वो कहाँ से उतरा? कहाँ से उतरा? टेबल से. कहाँ गया? फादर के बेड साइड, जहाँ फादर लेटे हुए हैं उनके बेड के पास गया. Penny lay at rest. Penny means capital. What does it mean? It is a noun, proper noun, नाम है किसी का. Penny lay at rest. Lay means लेटना. Penny लेटा हुआ था रेस्ट पे, बिल्कुल आराम से. Who is Penny? His father. In our story, first character was second is Penny, his father. His eyes were open and clear. आंखें कैसी थी उसके पापा की? Open means clear means साफ. खुली हैं, साफ हैं. But परंतु the pupils. बेटा ध्यान देंगे, यहाँ भी pupil वर्ड के भी दो मीनिंग है. PUPIL. Pupil एक इसको बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट, छात्र, लेकिन यहाँ पे इसका मतलब है pupils, आंखों की पुतलियाँ. क्या है? Pupils were still dark and dilated. पुतलियाँ अब भी गहरी और फैली हुई थी. डायलेटेड का मतलब फैली हुई है. ध्यान देंगे बेटा, इधर लिखे हुए हैं वर्ड मीनिंग. ड्रिफ्टेड बैक, एनलार्ज. डायलेटेड मींस एनलार्ज, बड़ी बड़ी, चौड़ी, फैली हुई. Jodi said, how are you feeling, Pa?
Pa.
Jodi said,
Jodi said,
how are you feeling, Pa?
how are you feeling, Pa?
Just fine.
Just fine.
Son, old dad
Old dad
has gone
has gone
thieving elsewhere.
thieving elsewhere.
जोडी ने क्या पूछा? Tell me in English.
How are
you feeling? Pa, पापा आप कैसे हैं? And how the father is answering?
Just
Fine. He is saying just fine or just fine? How he will say? Tell me. Oh, he is still ill. He is on bed. He is not quite fit. He will speak little bit slowly. Just fine. Old dad has gone thieving elsewhere. More कहीं और चली गई. But wasn't it a close shave? बेटा it is an idiom. Close shave. Spelling of close shave का close shave meaning clean shave. That is another thing. बेटा दाढ़ी बनवाना that is different thing. Close shave. Here it is written. Close shave, narrow escape. जब हम बाल बचे, कई बार कहते हैं ना बाल बच गया. Close shave. It was a close shave. It was a close shave. सांप ने काट लिया था, rattlesnake था, poisonous था. बचने के चांस कम थे, इसीलिए क्या कहा? Close shave. बाल बचे हैं. ध्यान देंगे. I agree. I agree means मैं सहमत हूँ, मैं मानता हूँ. Penny said. I am proud of you, boy. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. Proud means गर्व. The way you kept your head and did what was needed. The way जिस तरह से you kept your head. Kept your head means kept your head. होश संभाले रखना, हिम्मत रखना, अपने दिमाग को शांत रखना. Keep your head cool. जब दुविधा में हड़बड़ाओ ना, तब you kept your head cool and did what was needed. और वो किया जो करने की जरूरत थी. पा who is saying पा? कौन कह रहा है पा? जोड़ी. Yes son. पा do you recollect the dough and the fun? पा do you remember? Recollect means remember. Recollect means remember. क्या आपको याद है the dough and the fun? In the picture who are there? There is fun, there is Jodi, there is the father, son and the fun. I can never forget them. मैं उन्हें नहीं भूल सकता. The poor dough saved me. What is the meaning of poor? Yes, beta. Poor has two meanings. One is grief and other one is bechara, helpless. Here it is helpless. Poor, the poor dough saved me. Okay, tell me which tense is this? The poor dough saved me. How do you recognize past indefinite? Second form of verb has been used. That is certain. Pa, the fun may be out there. It might be hungry and very scared. Pa, the fun may be out there. Fun वही होगा. It suppose so. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
I am a big boy now.
I am a big boy now.
And I don't need
And I don't need
to drink milk.
to drink milk.
But
But
I am big boy.
I am a big boy.
I
I
don't need.
don't need.
Don't need means जरूरत नहीं है. Drink milk. Drink milk means
दूध पीना.
दूध पीने की. Why don't
Why don't
I go
I go
and see
and see
if I can
if I can
find the fun?
find the fun?
Why don't?
Why don't
क्यों नहीं?
क्यों नहीं?
I go.
I go
मैं जाऊं
मैं जाऊं
and see
and see
if I can
if I can
find the fun.
find the fun.
क्यों ना मैं जाऊं और उसको ढूंढ लाऊं, फन को ले आऊं and bring it here.
And bring it here.
कहाँ लेके आएगा?
कहाँ लेके आएगा?
कहाँ लेके आएगा?
घर.
होम, घर. Bring it here, घर लेके आऊं and raise it.
And raise it.
और इसे पालकर बड़ा करें.
और इसे पालकर बड़ा करें.
पेनी ले quiet.
And ये quiet.
पेनी चुपचाप लेटा रहा. Staring at the ceiling.
Staring at the ceiling.
ऐसे लेट के क्या दिखाई देगा? Ceiling means छत, रूफ. कहाँ स्टेयर कर रहा है? छत, छत को घूर रहा है. Okay बेटा, we have read it up to here and now it's time for your homework. Come to comprehension check. Comprehension check पे आएंगे. What had happened to Jody's father? Raise your hand if you know the answer. What had happened to Jody's father? Okay, smile.
Jody's mother has beaten a little snake.
Yeah, Jody's father had been beaten by a rattlesnake. उनके पिताजी को किसने काट लिया? Rattlesnake ने. Had been beaten. शाबाश, smile, sit down. How did the doe save Penny's life? How did the doe save Penny's life? डो ने पेनी के जीवन को कैसे बचाया? Very good, Rohit. Stand up. Yes, they used its heart and liver to draw out the poison. They used the doe's heart and liver to draw out the poison. Better, this is your homework. You will note down in your notebook these two questions and answers. This you will do in your homework, and all the difficult word meanings you will write in your homework notebook. Two question answers and word meaning. All of you got the meaning of this lesson?
Yes, sir.
Can you read it now?
Yes, sir.
Let's check. Stop.
Yes, sir.
Fluently.
Yes.
बिना परवाह में पढ़ लोगे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, बेटा. You want to read? Okay. बेटा, whenever there will be second form, it will be without any helping verb. जब भी second form आएगी बिना helping verb के आएगी, वो past indefinite को show करेगी. और जब भी third आएगी, वो अपने साथ has या have कुछ लेके आएगी. Got it? नहीं तो third form फिर adjective के तौर पे use होगी. Okay, sit down. Simply 4 और 5 hands are high. बाकियों को पढ़ना नहीं आता भाई. Raise your hands high. Be confident. Okay, first we will start with Muskan. Read बेटा.
This is Jody's farm. यह हिरण का बच्चा है.
ये जोड़ी का हिरण का बच्चा है. Very good.
Before you read, often instead of rushing to the doctor to treat a small cut or burn, we find quick and effective cures using things available at home. Can you think of some such home
Remedies.
for a cut on your knee, a ball on your arm, a bee sting?
Sit down, beta. Very good. Well done. Komal, stand up.
In this story, Jody's father has been beating by a
has been bitten.
bitten by a rattlesnake. He quickly
Kills.
kills a doe and uses its heart and liver to brew out the poison. Jody wonders what will happen to the little fawn last
Left.
without a mother.
Sit down. Well done. Sachin, stand up and read.
Jody awaits this thought to drift back to the farm. He could not keep it out of his mind. He had held it in his
Dreams.
dreams in his
Very good, Sachin.
He slipped from the table and got burned to
Sit down.
his
Very good.
father.
Well done. Sumit, stand up.
Beside
Pay attention to your book. किताब में देखेंगे, पेंसिल हाथ में रखेंगे.
Penny lay at that his eyes were open and clear, but the
Pupils.
pupils were still dark and dilated. Jody said,
Dilated.
Jody said, "How are you feeling, Pa? That fine sun, soul, cold that has gone
Thieving.
you elsewhere,
Elsewhere.
but
Elsewhere means कहीं और. Anywhere else. Wasn't. Wait here. Here is one word, beta. It is written like this. What is this? Wasn't. This is short form of was not. Very good, beta. Sumit, sit down. Vivek, stand up and read. Say loudly, बेटा. थोड़ा ऊंचा बोल के पढ़ो. One, sit down. Once, stand up and read.
I can never forget the then the poor do save me the say
That's certain.
that certain for the format my
Sit down, beta. Prince, stand up and read.
I am big boy now and don't need to drink milk. Why do not I go and see if I can find the one and
Sit down. Very good. Well done. Again from starting we will read. Mehak, stand up, beta. Read.
Jody unveiled his force to drift back to the farm. He could not keep it out of his mind. He had helped it in his dream, in his arms. He slipped from the table and went to his father's bedside.
Sit down, beta. Very good. Aina, stand up. Clear. Pupils still dark, dilated. Sit down, Vidya. Very good. Khushbu.
Jody said, "How are you feeling, Pa?" "Just fine, son. Old death has gone thieving elsewhere, but wasn't it a close shave?" "I agree." Penny said, "I am proud of you, boy. They your head and did what was needed.
Sit down, Vidya. Very good. Ankita, stand up.
Yes, son, do you recollect
Recollect.
the done and the fun? I
Sit down, Sharmila.
I can never forget them. The poor girls
Saved me.
shaved me that forget.
That's certain. Sit down, Vidya. Smile. Suhana, you read it.
The fan may be about there, yet it might be hungry and very scared. I suppose so, Pa. I am a big boy now and do not need to drink milk. Why do not I go and see if I can find the fan?
Sit down, Vidya. Very good. Well done. Now, Chetan from starting. Chetan, stand up. Read better. Jodi aloud.
Jody allowed his horse to drive back,
Drift back.
drive back to the farm. He could not keep it out of his mind. He had helped it in his dreams and his arms. He slipped from that table and went to
Sit down.
his
Ashish. Read better.
Jody said, "Who are you feeling?"
How are you feeling, Pa?
Just feel,
Just fine.
just fine.
Son,
Sun, old,
death,
that has
gone,
gone,
living
living
elsewhere.
elsewhere.
Sit down, beta. You read.
But was just
Eight.
Peter was saved. I other family said, I am proud of you, boy. The way you picked your head and did what was needed.
Sit down, Ankush. Well done. Ankush, beta, you stand up. You want to ask something, Shiksha? You want to read? Okay, later I will give you the chance.
Yes, sir. But you
Recollect.
recollect the dog and the
Fun.
fun. I can never forget them. The poor dog saved me.
That's certain.
That certain. The favorite may be out there yet.
Sit down, beta. Well done. Navya.
I suppose it's true. I am a big boy now and do not need to drink milk. Why don't I go and see if I can find the fun and bring it here and break it? Penny lay quite
Staring.
at the
Ceiling.
ceiling boy.
Sit down. Now it's time for Sumit. You read it.
Jody allowed his horse to drag back to the farm. He could not keep it out of his mind. He had helped with in his dreams in his arms. He slipped from the table and went to his father's bedside. Fanny lay at rest. His eyes were open and clear, but the pupils were
Pupils.
were still dark and
Dilated.
Jody said,
Sit down, Sumit. Well done. Shiksha. Read.
Jyoti said, how are you feeling? Just to find son old that has gone
Living
elsewhere,
elsewhere.
but
Wasn't
wasn't it a close sale?
close sale. Very good.
I agree.
Sit down, Vidya. Ria.
I agree. Penny said, I am proud of you, boy. The way you kept your head and did what was
Thank you, dear students. Now it's time for your homework. You will read the lesson at home. You will underline the difficult meanings. You will note down all the difficult meanings in your notebook, and you will write down 2 question and answer in your homework. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice time.